Is your Dodge Challenger key fob unresponsive or working intermittently? The most common culprit is a dead battery. For 2015-2023 models, including Hellcat variants, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The Dodge Challenger key fob requires a specific battery, the CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small circular battery powers the fob's remote functions. Here you can see the CR2032 battery up close. It's a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell, easily recognizable by its silver color and the CR2032 marking on top. This battery type is essential for proper fob operation. This image shows the CR2032 battery alongside Dodge Challenger key fobs. The battery fits perfectly into the fob's internal compartment for models from 2015 through 2023, including Hellcat variants. CR2032 batteries are widely available and inexpensive. You can find them at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Look for reputable brands like Panasonic or Duracell for reliable performance. One crucial tip: always ensure you purchase a genuine CR32 battery from a reputable brand. Counterfeit batteries can lead to premature failure and unreliable fob performance, so buy from trusted sources. For opening the key fob, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry or remove any screws. Alternatively, a plastic prying tool works well to avoid scratching the fob case during opening. A piece of tape can protect the fob surface from scratches while working on it. Optionally, wear anti-static gloves to protect the key fob circuit board from static electricity damage. Locate the seam on the edge of your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the seam. Carefully twist to separate the two halves. Some models might have a small screw on the back that needs to be removed first. Be patient and avoid using excessive force. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use your finger or a small tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensuring correct polarity is key. To reassemble the key fob, start by carefully aligning the two halves. Make sure the circuit board is properly seated and the buttons align perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear or feel them snap into place. Ensure the seam is flush and there are no gaps. If your key fob has a screw that was removed during disassembly, reinsert it now and tighten it securely using a small screwdriver. Finally, double-check that all buttons function correctly. Press each one to ensure they click smoothly without sticking and that the key fob is fully reassembled. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, the issue may be more complex. First, ensure the battery is new and correctly installed with the positive side facing up. For Hellcat models, remember that the reinforced case may require slightly more force to open without damaging the fob. If problems persist despite correct battery replacement, consult a qualified mechanic to check for electronic issues. Finally, dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it as lithium-ion waste to protect the environment.